Welcome to Buildawebs. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a Woocommerce affiliate product. So the first thing you want to do is head into WordPress. Make sure that you have Woocommerce installed. You can do that by going to plugins, clicking on add new, searching for Woocommerce, and then install and activating it. You'll then see that you've got Woocommerce available there. The next thing you want to do is go down to products and go to add new. We're going to give the product a name, so we're going to head over to Amazon. We're going to create an Amazon affiliate product, and we're basically just going to take the name here and we'll shorten it. Just paste it in here. Just take this out. And then we're going to add a description. So you could take parts of the description from the website, but for the tutorial, I'm just going to take the description from here. You want to include as many keywords so the products can appear in search. I'll just copy this for later. And then we're going to go down to product categories. These help group products together. So we're going to create a new category, but if you wanted to, for example, tick one that was already created, you could tick there and it would assign the category to it. So let's click on add new category and we're going to go for lamp and click add new category. And then there it is. And then we'll add a product tag. So a product tag helps search engines find the product. So we'll go for lamp. And we'll go for light. Click add. Then we can set the product image. So click on set product image. Now I've already uploaded one here, but you can upload one by clicking on upload files and choosing the file. Just close that down. So I'm just going to pick this one. And then you can add more images, for example, from here. And then we'll add a short description. So I'll say, check out this simple design, such and such. The next thing we want to do is go to product data and choose external affiliate product. And if you've created an Amazon affiliate account, you'll basically be able to go on the portal and create an affiliate link, but we're just going to use the one for the product for the example. So we'll go in, add new product. We'll paste the link in the product's URL and we'll say buy now. We'll then go back to Amazon, 1582. And if, for example, there's a sales price, you could put that in. Then you've then got taxable, shipping only, and not. You can choose whichever that might be. We'll leave it taxable, and you can choose tax classes. It's an inventory, but because it's an affiliate product, we're not going to do anything on this. You've got linked products, so we could sell one of our own products, not an affiliate product. For example, a sofa, and we'll include that on there. And that's the main parts, really. The next thing you'll want to do is publish and make it live on the site. If you're not ready, you can just click on Save Draft, and it's Save for later. When you're ready to publish, you can just click Publish. But if you just want to schedule the product, you can click on Edit here, and we could say 3rd of June at 6 o'clock. It goes live. Choose OK. You hit Schedule, and then the product's scheduled. If you want to just set it back to you're going to publish it now, you can click on Edit, and then you can put it back to today. And then you can just choose Publish. and then the product's live on the site, and this is what it looks like. Here's the product name, there's the price of it, there's the short description, there's the actual product, there's the category of lamp, there's the tags, there's the description. And then if the customer wants to buy it, click on buy now, and as you can see, it takes it over to Amazon, and if they decide to buy this product or any other products, the site owner will get a commission. So yeah, that's that part of it. So we'll just go back and I'll show you how you can go back from your WordPress backend. So let's go to the dashboard. And then what you can do is you can go to products and you click on all products. And if, for example, you want to make a quick edit, that you want to change the name, for example, you can do that. You can add your product tags in. You can add more categories or take categories away. You could, for example, choose not to put reviews on, so you could disable it. You could set the status back to draft and all sorts of other things. So we'll just choose update. And then the other thing you can do is edit the whole thing like it was before, and you can make more in-depth changes. If, for example, you wanted to delete it, you can do it like that, but I would recommend changing the status back to draft first, clicking OK, and then you can delete it. I hope that tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe for future videos, and please also check the description of the video for more information. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.